Heat and drought stress many gardens. Some plants survive where others fail. These plants store water, resist heat, and grow with minimal care. In this video, you'll discover plants that thrive in extreme conditions. Agave stores water in thick leaves. It tolerates intense sun and dry soil. Overwatering causes damage. Minimal care works best. Lantana blooms through extreme heat. It thrives in poor soil. Drought does not stop flowering. Ideal for hot climates. Portulaca loves full sun. It stores moisture in its stems. Heat increases blooming. Very low maintenance. Yucca tolerates heat and drought easily. Roots anchor deep into dry soil. Water is rarely needed. Perfect for dry landscapes. Lavender prefers dry soil and sun. Heat improves oil production. Excess water reduces lifespan. Simple care brings strong growth. Sedum stores water in fleshy leaves. It thrives during heat waves. Drought does not slow growth. Excellent ground cover option. Blanket flower loves hot weather. Poor soil encourages blooms. Drought tolerance is high. Color stays vibrant. Rosemary handles heat extremely well. Dry soil improves flavor and health. Overwatering weakens roots. Great for hot gardens. Ice plant stores water efficiently. Heat increases flower production. Very little water is needed. Ideal for extreme drought areas. Heat and drought do not mean failure. The right plants adapt naturally. Choose wisely and reduce maintenance. Your garden will survive extreme weather.